Hey, hi, where you from?
I am from Egypt. You are from India?
Yeah, I'm from India. What's your name? Abdo. So the video you just watched, that was me, and I was trying an app that is literally 100% free. And trust me, this is not any sponsored video or any paid promotion at all, because I tried this app and I've been using it for the past 9 days. I genuinely love this app and I really wanted to share it with you guys because this app is really amazing, and the plus point is this app is free. Yes, so without wasting time, let's jump into the video. You guys already know that I try every time new ways to improve my English, like fluency, speaking, confidence, all of that. But honestly, speaking with real people helps the most. Are you getting it? So 9 days ago, I downloaded an app called Episoden, and the link of this app is given in the description box. You can check it out. So I downloaded this app just to test it, and I had literally zero expectations. But after using it for 9 days straight, I was literally shocked. Yes, and I was like, why is nobody talking about this app? Why? Okay, I'll show you exactly how I use this app, like a complete live demo, you can say, like what to do, how to do, and where to click. I'll tell you everything in this video. Okay, so now I'm going to use this app right in front of you guys. So I'm just recording my screen recorder. Okay, my battery is about to die. Wait, resume episode. And now I have to click over here. Then I have to click over here, and then I will connect with a partner. Okay, now I have to wait for 17 seconds. Okay, not too much. Okay, we can wait. 876. Okay, I'm connected with my partner. Hey, तुम्हारा है. Hey, hi, where you from?
I am from Egypt.
What?
Egypt.
Egypt. Egypt? Wow,
Yeah.
this app is really awesome. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. You are from India?
Yeah, I'm from India. What's your name? Abdo. Abdo or Abdo? I don't know
Yeah.
how to pronounce it.
Abdul.
Abdo. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's such a cool name I've ever heard. Okay,
What
what?
about you?
Yeah, what? Like, do you want to know my nickname or name?
Your name?
Your name, my name. Okay, my name is Kusu. You can call me Kusu or Priya, anything you want.
Kusukriya.
Yeah. So, how long have you been using this app?
It's my first day.
Oh, today is your first day? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me tell you that this app is very amazing because I've been using it for the past 9 days, and I found this app very helpful, very genuine, and it provides you one-to-one conversation, not audio, but video call, which is absolutely free.
Video is better. You know,
Yeah,
it's
video is
free and
better.
the video is better. Yeah.
Okay, tell me that are you a video person or call person or text person?
Video person.
Video
It's the
person?
best thing.
Wow. Cool. So are you a student or are you working somewhere?
No, no. I am a student in the last year at college.
Oh, last year. So you are about to graduate or are you in high school?
No, I will graduate
Oh,
this
you
year.
would graduate. Okay. So advanced congratulations for your graduation.
Thanks.
Okay, so what
So
else do
how old
you
are
do?
you?
Like, what are your hobbies?
Playing basketball, reading, watching some bad movies.
Oh, so you are a sport person, I would say.
Yeah.
Because, oh,
But how old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
Are you married or still single?
No. Do I look like married?
Yeah,
Do I? Even with two
because
braids?
I no I saw your husband take off his t-shirt.
He was not my husband. He was my brother, stupid. He was my brother.
Yeah, really, you are looking so young. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, Okay. It's okay. It's fine. So, can you tell me about your family?
I have one sister.
Oh, you have one
Seem like
sister.
she's beautiful like you.
Oh, thank you. That's so nice of you to say that.
Living with my father and mother.
Oh, okay. So you are a nuclear family, right?
Yeah,
Okay. And why are you learning English?
because I am programmer, so to
Oh,
work in a good company.
oh, okay.
Is it still sunny in your country?
No, it's not sunny here. It's night. It's 9 7
Really?
p.m. here.
I see some light on your face.
It's it's light because I am recording my YouTube video. So
Okay.
that's why I have opened a panel light.
You will share this on YouTube?
Would you mind if I share this? Like I'm asking your
Please,
consent.
please.
Huh?
I don't want to appear on YouTube.
Okay. What if I blur your face?
Okay, okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you for your consent. Consent, I mean.
Hmm.
Okay, we have
So,
only 30. So, what Episoden actually does? Episoden connects you with English learners from Vietnam, Indonesia, China, South Korea, Brazil, and from more than 150 countries. Okay, you get a one-to-one video call, not audio, but actual video call from a real stranger who is also learning English. And the session lasts 7 minutes, not too long, not too short, perfect for English conversation, perfect for real-time English conversation. So I found this app really amazing. I'm saying this again because I really love this app. And the best part is this app is completely free for the rest of your life. Yes, no credits, no hidden features, no subscription, nothing. You can practice your English every single day without paying anything at all. Yes, my honey. Yes, you can practice your English every single day without paying anything at all. Oh my god. This is the first time I've seen such a clean and honest and helpful app in my life. So in the last 9 days, I have talked to so many people from different countries, from Vietnam, from Nepal, from South Korea, from Indonesia, from China, and literally they all were amazing. Some were very shy, some were very friendly, and some were beginners, some were advanced, but the every single conversation helped me a lot. And I want to say one more thing here. This app is really safe for all girls out there. Yes, this app is safe for everyone, every single person out there. Okay, please try this app at least one time and then share your experience in the comment section, because your comment will help other English learners. They'll get exact reviews from the real users. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much Episoden for making this helpful app. Thank you so much for everything. Okay, and what would I say? Thank you for watching this video also. Bye bye, I'll see you in my next video. I actually forgot to record this clip, so I'm recording it now. Okay, so let me give you the proof that how long I've been using this app. So if I go to my achievements, as you guys can see, my streak is 9 days. It means I've been using this app for the past 9 days.